I'm a software engineer and lately I've been stressed. AI will replace developers. Coding is dead. Honestly, it gets in your head. How to become an AI engineer in 2026, a realistic roadmap anyone can follow. If you think becoming an AI engineer in 2026 means learning 37 frameworks, 12 vector databases, and building AGI in your bedroom, relax. Most companies just want someone who can make their chatbot stop hallucinating and connect it to a database. I'm a software engineer and lately I've been stressed. Not about deadlines, not about bugs, but about my future. Everywhere I look, it's AI this, AI that. AI will replace developers. Coding is dead. Agent will build everything. And honestly, it gets in your head. The AI gold rush is real, but most people are digging in the wrong place. Let's make it clear. Here's what I realized. Social media shows AI engineers making $300K building synthetic robots, but real companies, they just want their AI feature to work, their API bill to stop exploding, their chatbot to stop confidently lying, and someone who can explain what's going on. Half of AI engineering is technical, the other half is telling your boss, no, it can't just know things. Nobody is hiring to invent new models. They are hiring engineers who can integrate AI into real products. That's it. The simple roadmap, no overcomplications. Let's remove the hype. You don't need to learn everything. You need to stack practical skills. And yes, I truly believe even beginners can do that. For steps, step 1, be comfortable with coding. Not genius level, just comfortable. Python, APIs, basic databases, and Git. You can build a simple backend API and debug your own mistakes. You are ready for the next step. AI doesn't replace fundamentals, it sits on top of them. Step 2, understand how LLMs actually work, not academically, practically. Understand what tokens are, why tokens cost money, what embeddings are, what RAG means, why hallucinations happen. You don't need to invent transformers. You need to understand input, model, output, cost, limitations. That's it. If you understand costs and limitations, you're already ahead of 80% of people. Step 3, think in system, not prompts. Most beginners stop at prompting, but real AI engineering is about systems. Ask yourself, what happens if the model fails? What if it's slow? What if it gives wrong answers? How do I log responses? How do I reduce cost? AI demos are exciting. AI production systems are boring. Boring pays. Step 4, build 2-3 real projects, not 20 half-done tutorials. Just real things like a document search tool, a chatbot connected to a database, an AI workflow automation, simple cost monitoring dashboard. Deploy it, break it, fix it. That's how you grow. Don't suddenly rename yourself Senior AI Architect, AGI Visionary. Relax. Apply as Software Engineer with AI Expertise, Backend Developer, AI System, Automation Engineer. AI is becoming a feature of software engineering, not a replacement for it. Companies trust builders. Companies trust problem solvers. Here's what changed my mindset. AI is not coming to replace developers. It's changing what valuable developers look like. In 2026, AI engineers won't be magicians. They'll be practical problem solvers who understand systems, understand cost, understand limitations, and can ship reliably. And I truly believe it can learn to code. It can learn to build AI systems. Not overnight, not magically, but realistically. No PhD, no hype, no fantasy. Just skills, projects, and a steady progress. I've been a software engineer for years and now working deeply with AI systems. I can tell you something honestly. This is not as complicated as the internet makes it. Position yourself as an engineer who understands AI, not an AI wizard. That's it. If you do just that consistently, you will be ahead of most people who are just consuming AI content instead of building with it. And I truly believe any developer, even if you're just starting, can get there, not by chasing hype, but by building it.